Hey y'all, IrixGuy here, and if you've been a subscriber to my channel for a while, youtube.com/IrixGuy, you know that I love drones, and I love maximizing travel size, or minimizing rather, travel size and travel weight. You know, I don't want something that's too big. I don't want something that's too heavy to travel with. I want a very small and lightweight drone that's capable from a 4K video perspective. So what I've got here is my current travel kit for my drone, my Mavic 2 Pro. So you'll see here I've got my Mavic 2 Pro controller. I've got this, and we're going to get to that in a minute. And then obviously I've got the Mavic 2 Pro inside of here. So it's a very compact package, and to look at it, one may say, oh, you know, that's not waterproof, that's not ruggedized. And you know, that's somewhat of a true statement, but let me show you this. So for most situations, what I'm going to do is just carry this in dry conditions. You know, maybe I'll just carry it by the handle. Maybe I've got other camera gear with me and I'll just throw this in my camera backpack. But if the weather gets questionable, or, you know, I feel that this may become exposed to water, what I can do is pull this out. And check the link within this video's description, because you can find this case as well as what I'm about to pull out of this. So let me show you how cool this is. So this is very small, this is very lightweight, but had to stop talking there to be dramatic. That is a very small and very lightweight dry bag. So if the weather gets iffy, and you notice I left a little bit of air in there intentionally, I would not expect this to float. Some of your larger dry bags may float, but due to the weight of the drone and the controller inside its case, I would not expect this to float. Now this dry bag's a little bit special because you can see it's very small and it's very lightweight, but again, just to demonstrate, you know, I rolled this up to better prevent the possibility of water from entering. Again, nothing is 100% waterproof, you know, so don't be a fool and falsely assume that your expensive gear may be protected by a dry bag, because it probably, you know, it may, but it may not. But the advantage to this is that, you know, now I'm no longer carrying a very heavy ruggedized case. You know, I've got a very small and lightweight drone, but what I've got is the ability to carry a dry bag should it be needed. So the case itself, in most scenarios, this case itself is probably going to be enough to protect it. You know, when I'm in dry conditions and I don't expect anything, you know, any water or anything. You know, I'm not on a boat, I'm not in the ocean. But having the convenience of carrying such a small and lightweight dry bag, I mean, you know, how cool is that? Just goes right in. Got my controller here in the back. And then I've got my dry bag tucked neatly beside it. Maybe I don't want this to get snagged on something. I can just tuck that down in there if I want to. How convenient is that? I don't know. Tell me what you think. And again, if you're wanting to use a configuration like I use to transport my Mavic 2 Pro, expand this video's description. And once you expand it, you can find a link to the dry bag. You can also find a link to the Mavic 2 Pro case that I use. And of course the Mavic 2 Pro, the Mavic 2 Zoom, and other drones as well. But again, making something that's convenient, you know, it's a convenient travel size, the drone is. but coming up with something that adds a minimal amount of size and a minimal amount of weight to the drone for transport. I mean, that's paramount for me, because now, you know, I've got a very portable drone, yet highly capable 4K video from a Hasselblad camera. I mean, just an amazing performer. But I've got the convenience of throwing this in a backpack along with my other camera gear, or if I just want to carry it by this top handle, I can do that. And if conditions get kind of wet, I can toss all of this in that dry bag and hopefully better protect the drone from water. Again, never trust it, but it's something that may better protect the drone from water. So I hope this video is of value. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And be sure to click that bell icon too, down there below this video. You click that bell icon, you'll be notified whenever I post another video here on IrixGuy's Adventure channel. And again, check out my website for all of your drone and drone accessory needs. And if you want to support my channel even more, you can choose to do so. And check the link within this video's description. I'm on Patreon. That's a great way to support my channel. Again, I'm an independent channel, so I'm not part of a multi-channel network. You know, nothing wrong with channels that are, but I'm an independent YouTuber, and all of your support tremendously helps my channel to continue to grow. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.